to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. You want to click that subscribe button so you don't miss another upload, because we are getting late over here. Okay, anyways guys, today I'm doing a basic stitch in, and that's the braiding pattern that I'll be using. I'm not really gonna talk through all this video because I'm not well, so I hope you enjoy this video from this point, and I hope you understand because it's pretty much self-explanatory. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the end. Hey guys, welcome back. Good morning. It's another day. So what I'm gonna do is take this off because I slept with it on my head just to keep the hair flat. So let's see. What is that? Oh wow. It actually did something, which is pretty good. I love that. It is flat as I want it to be. Let's see about these edges. And this lace is melted, honey. It's melted. When I say melted, I mean melted. So as you can see the lace lifting up there, I'm just gonna wipe my forehead with some alcohol. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is try to hot comb this here just to get it a bit more flat. Yeah, since that's what we're really going. So all that is what should I say? I'm just trying to get this flat. That's possible.
oil. So right here, not much, because we don't want the hair to be too, so I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes. Then I'll lose it. So let's give it 5 and be ready. Okay, so I guess this is as flat as it can get for now. So I will actually cut out these baby hairs because they're in my face and I don't need hair in my face right now. So just, there is no particular length as to how I want them to cut. I just cut them to my liking. I was actually thinking about curling the hair, but I'll do that later. Not now, because I'm not trying to sit here for a long time. No. I have a gloves for this because it burns. This flat iron is from yhall Professional. I mean, it's pretty good. 1 gloves. We want this straight and not curly. Let me see how the curl works. If I can actually curl it up and what it would look like. Let's try some curls with this thing. I mean, curls are looking pretty decent, but do we want it that way? No, honey. Maybe I'm in the mood to curl, but we're not gonna curl, even though I'm feeling the curling vibe. So, well, let's see. Okay. I mean, it curls pretty good. I think I can turn this wig into a body wave. Not before I wear it straight first. So let's straighten this thing. That's me. We're getting there, but we'll start from the back with 1 track at a time because we want everything to be equally straight and not equally curly. You know what, guys? I'll go straight this here and I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it's looking like because I don't want to waste your time. You know, you already know what I'm gonna do, so we'll be back there to the park and just to, you know, sharpen it up. And we're about to create those baby hairs. we're gonna use the got to be glue to create the baby hair, and then we're gonna blow dry it on high heat. So this one we're taking it here. I did went ahead and cut this hair offline of stuff. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I mean, this hairstyle came out pretty cute, perfect, and good. Look at these edges. And it's not long or whatever. I did straight it. And I think it's looking good. However, so yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye. I should probably do it myself.